Salpukan ng top 1 team sa North at top 2 sa South. Abra versus Zamboanga. Physical matchup, Nina Carl, Brian Cruz at Dave Ildefonso. Naglambingan sa ilalim grabe.
Carl Brian Cruz from downtown to CBC. He launches and he gets it to go.
You cannot commit a mistake. Yep.
Ildefonso fires a three. Ildefonso with a spin. It's a hard foul. Given up by Carl Brian Cruz.
Kasing bagsik ang hagupit ng bagyo ang laban na ito.
Rebound ni Una, Utuba, and Una nakagawan. To Serrano.
Panoodin ang full game highlights hanggang dulo mga ka-big time.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Dave Ildefonso. Zamboanga naman, Ichi Altamirano, Choi Ignacio. The referees, Jovit Ocfemia, Alan Manzano, Maynard Centeno, and Jay Castro.
Easy receive para dito kay Raven.
Altamirano to the cup. And Abdul Sawat with a tip in.
Challenging one of the top shot blockers. Oh, a good pass right there. Unless they've attacked him twice already in those two possessions.
Jolo off the curl and he knocks down the jumper.
Good goal by Jolo.
Nahanap si Med Salim, blocked by Raven. Recovered by Jolo Mendoza, foul given up by Abdul.
First block of the game for Raven.
Top of the key. Andun si Choi Ignacio. Drop pass, Gonzalez for two. Marwin, atake, runner, short. Rebound ni Una, Utuba, and Una nag-agawan. Jump ball, bola ng Abra.
Somehow I like how they
Credit dito sa Zamboanga. Sumang finds Abdul. No! Turco, no! And yes, finally, for Turco.
took 3 attempts before that ball.
Against Salim. Taiwan swings it over. Wide open for 3. Cholo Mendoza.
And then
Ildefonso. Josh David, wide open 3. Got it. They wear you. Zamboanga, ayon-ayon to Serrano. He is fouled by Capobres.
And that closeout by Capobres, I feel anticipated by Encho Serrano, and he quickly attacked it.
Gabat. Ang ganda ng depensa ng Abra. It's off to the races, and it's Mike Ayon-ayon with a finish. 20-point lead for the Solid North Weavers. 9-1 ang assist. Impressive, and there's Gabat. Gets going here in the second period. Suma to CBC. He launches, and he gets it to go. And the crowd getting into it now. Suma, binabantay ni Ayon-ayon. Gabat, he'll fire a 3. Gets it to go. Reg Gabat, 8 points here in the league.
And ang gusto mo dito, yung bawat tira niya, kumpiyansa, no? Walang hesitation.
Sena, got it.
There you go.
And Roy Sumang now taking control.
And thankfully for Zamboanga, Sena made it.
Ildefonso with a jumper.
And it's going to work now.
Si Roy Sumang balik agad. Ildefonso fires a 3.
Wow.
And he gets it to go plus the foul.
Oh my.
Trying to extend this lead. Taiwan pulls the trigger. Good on a 3.
Marvin Taiwan definitely has. Correct.
Ildefonso lost it. Able to find Serrano. This could be big.
Get long rebounds and then will run on you.
Serrano, the crossover, the drop to Dave Ildefonso. Game with 1xBet. Sena, yes! Okay, that will count for James Sena. Dave's jumper won't go. And they box out true, but nakuha ni Camacho offensive rebound. It leads to a Mendoza 3-pointer.
Yes.
Mosqueda to Turco, the kick out.
Good kick.
Kawilan, 3.
Good pick. Paint touching.
52 to 26. CBC knocks down the 3. Oh, now just the 2-pointer. And Taiwan with a steal. Marvin Taiwan. 2 points.
Did you say yan a specialty?
CBC lumapit. No.
Oh,
Dip in is good. 56.
free throws. That told on the result.
Carl Brian Cruz from downtown. Some light clear para sa Zamboanga. Nakuha ni Uduba. Inside, Raven Gonzalez.
Wow, Raven Gonzalez.
3 seconds on the shot clock. Gonzalez again. You think just comes in and delivers.
Oh. See a 3 right there by Gaba. You put a second guy.
Hanap si Luciano and Luciano tries to attack here. Carving some space to turn around. He gets it to go.
And much to the delight of, getting the game closer or get the lead, do you consider going back to your plan? Good shot.
But the problem is, it's not Eva. He was asking for a foul. Ildefonso with a spin. It's a hard foul. Given up by Cartwright. Kasi hindi tumama. Kinabahan ako doon.
Oo, akala ko mapapaano siya over kay David, no?
Look at the spin move. May malaking lamok doon no?
Oo. Akala ko hindi sa una, sasampa na siya mag-over eh. Oo. You cannot commit a mistake. You have to be very efficient. Wants to keep fresh legs every time. Kung kakayanin, yun lang talaga chance mo eh.
Ignacio with a response. They're explosive, they're athletic, they're strong, and they're good.
And they have
Great. They're great, by the way. They're great.
Yeah.
David Ildefonso.
Dun sa game, sa fight na. Oh, meron rin nagpapabati dito kanina eh.
John Uduba for 3.
There you go, John Uduba.
Lee. Against Roy Sumang. And Lee knocks down the jumper. The former team.
Dito sa Abra Weavers. But then again, ang tanong lang naman dyan, who is gonna stop this run for the Abra Weavers? If they see a 3 converted by Sawat could not come up with anything. Matter of fact, yung second quarter, nung pumasok na si Gabat, doon lang nagsimulang maganda-ganda yung production nila eh.
Will Lee, the homegrown star. Papakitang gilas dito sa dulo ng
At that sequence, he got bumped on the way up, pero pretty much stayed balanced and in control for that float finish.
Coach Yong, his former mentors, Bong Ramos and Egay Macaraya.
Oh, if you don't like that, you don't like NBA basketball.